This is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to see our second chapter fraction, decimals and rational number exercise 2. And in this video, we are going to solve this exercise 2, which is related to our Telangana State Board. And believe me, in the end of this video, you will have not a single doubt in this exercise. And I explain each and every question to you with a very clearly and understandable way to you. You will have not a doubt in this exercise. Okay, so let's start. So the first question is that multiply the following. Okay, we have to multiply this question, then we have to convert whatever the answer will be, we have to convert answer into the mixed fraction. Okay, this is very simple, we can do it, right? So let's see. So here the question is that, so like if you see the simple multiplication like 2 cross 4, we can do like directly, we can do this is a 2 4 is a 8, we can do like that. But this is in the like fraction, like 3:6/10. Okay, so how we can do this? Okay, so I take another example, not from this one. I will take my example and I explain how we can solve the fraction multiplication, then we will going to solve this one. Okay, so one thing I'm going to tell to you here, we like this is, I will take another example. This is a 2/6 cross 4/8. You have a doubt, but in my exercise the question is 3:6/10. Why are you taking there? Here it is 8 because there is no 8. So always remember there. If you know, if you don't know, then remember this is a numerator, this is a denominator. When the numerator is given, if denominator is not there, we will take as a 1. Here we will assume 1. Here 4 is there. In the downwards we assume 1 because numerator is there. Denominator is not there, then we will assume 1 because this is a rule of mathematics. When the numerator is there, denominator is not there, we will assume 1. So here also we will assume 1, here also 1, here also 1. So it's both are the looking like that. So your question will be look like that. So I hope you will understand why I assume 1, because this is the rule of mathematics. When the numerator is there, denominator not there, we will assume 1. Okay now, right? So this is my question which I take example. So we can do this question in two manners. This all we can do in two ways. We can multiply first of all, then we can divide. Otherwise you just divide first, then you can multiply. This is a rule. Okay, but let's do this one. So directly here what you can do, we just multiply. If you think this is a, we can multiply directly. Lots of students do like that. They multiply 2 2s are 8, and this is going to be this is 8 5s are 40, this is going to be 48. They do like that. This is right, but your answer is wrong. Why? Because here we have to cut this one. Why? Because we can multiply. This is your answer, this is good, but this is not a final answer. What is the final answer? If you divide by 2, this both can divide by 2 because in 2 table 8 is there in 4 times. This is also there. Now it is in the like 2 times. This is also, this is 1 times, this is 6 times. So our final answer is 1/6. Why? Because 1/6 is not divisible right now. Which table you can divide these two numbers? It is not possible. So this is our final answer. So this is by one thing, by this one, by this way we can do. Otherwise there is another way also. I will teach you that one also. But first of all, understand this one. Why our 8/40 is not answer? Because it can divide, it have chances to divide. 8 and 48 both can divide in 2, or 4 also it can divide. That's why it is not final answer. When it is not divide any number, then it is our final answer. Here 1/6 is our answer. This is correct, but this is not correct. So lots of students, they multiply 8/40 will be answer. They did write that like that, they leave it. This is our answer, over. This is wrong. When you have a two numbers which is not possible to divide, then it's our final answer. So we have to cut this one. Otherwise, let's see the another example here. If you see the same question, I will take 2/6 or 4/8. How you can solve this one? So you can solve this question only in two ways. You can just do crisscross multiplication. Otherwise this one, in the vertically, in a straight way you can do multiplication. How? You can divide 2 or 8 like that. 2 or 8 you can divide, otherwise 8 or 2 you can divide. Otherwise like that, 4 or 6 you can divide, otherwise 6 or 4 you can divide. This one way, like crisscross you can divide. Otherwise you do straightly also, you can divide 2 or 6, otherwise 6 or 2 you can divide, otherwise like that 2 4 or 8 you can do, otherwise 8 or 4 you can do. If you think you will do like that 2 4 ja you can cut, it is not possible. In a straight way, in this straight way you can multiply only. Let's suppose one car is going from this side, one car is coming in this side. When both car come to the one point, it getting the accident, it will get accident like that only. In the multiplication we are not going to like that, we only multiply, but like that we cannot divide. Okay, for the dividing we can divide like that or straight, but we cannot do like that. Okay, I hope you will understand. Then let's see this one, I will explain this to you. Okay, now what will be the answer? Let's see, this answer will be same or not. This is a 2 by 6 cross, it is given 4 by 8, right? Now let's solve this one. So here this is a 2 1 ja, this is a 2 4 ja. Okay, now in 2 table 4 is there, in 2 table 3 is there, in the 3 times. Now what is coming? It is coming 1 by 3 cross 2 by 4. Now will it divide like that? It is not possible. Like that it is not possible. In the straight manner 1 by 3 it is possible not, but like that here it is possible. Into like 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, so like that it is possible. So now answer is 1 by 3 cross 1 by 2. Now here it is possible, like that crisscross not possible, crisscross not possible, downwards like a straight it is not possible. Now it is not have there is no any chances to cut these numbers. So now we can multiply. When you have no chances to cutting or dividing, then we can multiply, like 1 1s are 1, 3 2s are 6. So this is a both answer are same, so you can do like that. You can multiply, then you can cut, otherwise first you have to cut, then you can multiply. Okay, this is a rule. Now let's solve our questions. What question we have? We are going to solve that our question first. Okay, so let's see this one here. So our first question is that 3 by, okay, so let me take the pen. Okay, so our first question is this one. Okay, so the first question is 3 by 6 is to 10. Okay, there is always 1. Remember here it is always 1. Okay now, so actually this is a grid. Okay, no, this is here it is problem. Okay, now how we can do, like how we can do crisscross cutting we can do. So first let's do one. So in you can do like that also. You can do multiply 30 and 6, then you can like 6 1 ja 6 5 ja 6 5 ja 30, so your answer will be 5. Like that you can also do. Otherwise you can do like that. This is a 3 by 6 is there, and 10 by there is always take 1. Okay, so now what we can do, you can do in the crisscross multiplication, like otherwise in a straight also 3 1s or 3 2s, you can do like that. Now 1 and 2 and then we can crisscross, we can multiply 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are, the answer is 5 by 1. So always remember, there when the 1 is the denominator we cannot count, we directly write 5. So answer is 5. Both are same only. Okay, so this is the rule, we can do like that. Now let's see the second question. The second question we are going to see. The first question I can erase. Okay, so second question we are going to see. Okay, right. So the second question is this: 1 by 3 is to 4, 1 by 3 is to 4 is to 1. So here we cannot cut each other, because 1 and 1 it can cut, the answer will be 1 only, but 3 and 4 it is not possible. Like 1 and 3 are also not possible, 4 and 1 it is not possible. So we directly multiply. 4 into 1 that's 4, 3 into 1 that's 3. Will you cut 4 and 3? It is possible. 4 and 3 it is not possible. So our answer is right. So answer is 4 is to 3. Now let's do this question. So this question is given 6 by 7 cross 2 by 1. Will you think it can crisscross, it is multiply? 6 and 1 it is not possible. 7 and 2 it is crisscross, not possible. Now let's see straightly. 6 and 7 will it cut? Not. 2 and 1 divide, it cannot divide. So what we have to do, we can directly multiply. 6 2s are that's 12, 6 7 1s are that's 7. Now see that 12 and 7 will it divide? No, it cannot divide. So this is our final answer. And now one thing what is there, it is we have to convert this into the mixed fraction also. So let's convert this. Its answer is 3 is to 6 cross 10 is to 1, right? So its answer is 2 times, and this is 5. So answer is 5. this is 5:1. So here its answer is only 5. The first one answer is only 5, but this one 4 and 3 we can convert into mixed fraction. So when you divide 3 by 4, it is 1, this is 3. So how we can write? We can write first of all this 3, then 1, then 1, then this one, then. So this is our mixed fraction. Okay, now we can write this also in the mixed fraction. Okay, this one also we can write in the mixed fraction. So we can write 12 and 7. So we can write directly 7 1s are, that's 7, and here we can write plus 7 are 7 and not 5 here, not 7, that's the 5. Okay, now it's over. So this is over. Now let's see the question number 4th. That's one, 4th one here. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So let's see the 4th one here. So the 4th one here, 2 by 9 cross 5, that's 1. Now let's see, 2 and 1 it can divide, no. 9 and 5 it can divide, no, it is not possible. Now see straight, 2 and 9 it can divide, no. 5 and 1 it can divide, no. So now what we have to do? We have to multiply. 2 5s are, that's 10, 9 1s are 9. Now let's see 9 and 10. 9 and 10 will divide, no, it's not. So leave it like that. What we have to do? We have to convert into the mixed fraction. So when you divide 9 and 10, the answer will be, you can write 9 1s are 9, and what will be here? How I am doing this? This is 10, 9 1s are, 1 is left. So first we have to write this, I written, second here, then second, the third ever already I written here. So this is our answer. Okay, so now let's see our 5th one here. So for 5th one, let's see this one. So this is a 15, there is always 1 cross 2 by 5. Now let's see, this 5 and 15 and 5 is possible, right? 5 1s are and 5 3s are. Now it is 3 and 1 and 2 and 1 it is there. 3 and 1 it is possible, no. 1 and 2 is it possible, no, but answer will be 2 only. Now see, 3 and 1 it is possible, no. 2 and 1 it is possible, no. So we will multiply. So if you multiply 3 2s are 6, 1 into 1 1. So we directly write 6, because we will not take as when the denominator in the 1, we directly write 6. But if it is like this, then we will write, this is only our answer. We cannot like that. When the denominator is 1, this denominator is 1, we will write 6 directly. But when the numerator in the 1 it is in the numerator, we will write 1 by 6. Okay, if 1 is the above, 6 is the down, we will write 1 by 6 only. But when the 6 is above, 1 is the down, we will write 6 directly. Okay, is it clear now? So there is no need to change this into the max, because there is nothing, so it will be same. So I hope it is clear. Now let's come to this question. This is a shadow question, and this is a very easy and quick question. The first question is that, the first one, 1 by 2 of the circle in the box. Actually we have to color 1 by 2 in this one. So how we can color? This is a 1 by 2 na, write 1 by 2. Then after count how many boxes are in there. In this one, 1 2 3, and this is 1 2 3 4, 3 into 4, that's 12 boxes are in there. So multiply by 12. So it means this is a doubt. If it is 12, if it is like this is 12, if I multiply, then there is nothing in the downward, so we have to take the 1. So now multiply crisscross. This is this crisscross possible, 1 and 1 it is possible, so that's 1 only. This is 2 1s are, and this is 2 6 are. So when then it is possible, no. So now what will we do? We will multiply. This answer will be 6 into 1. So the answer is 6. Then how many we have to multiply? We have to multiply 6 boxes. We have to color the 6 boxes. So 6 boxes, you can color this. Okay, 1 by 2 means 6 boxes directly we can color. Over. Our answer is over. Okay, now let's see the question number 2. So it is telling that 2 by 3 of the triangular boxes. In the triangular, write the 2 by 3 boxes. So this is a 2, this is a 3. How many 2 by 3 boxes? In triangle, in this one, in the B1, how many triangles are there? There is a 9 triangles, write 9. And there is a nothing, write 1. So if you multiply 2 and 1, it is not possible. 2 and 3, it is not possible. Straightly it is not possible. Crisscross, 2 and 3, 1. And 3 and 9, it is possible. 3 1s are, 3 3s are. So if you multiply, then it is going to be 3 2s are 6, 1 into 1 1. So the answer is 6. Then here how many we have to color? We have to color 6 part here we have to color. So let's color this one, 6 part. This is I colored 6 1, I colored here. Okay, now it is also over. Okay, now let's see the third one. So in third one it is telling 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5 of the rectangle. See how many rectangle boxes are there. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 15 rectangular boxes are there. Okay, so if you see 3 and 1 it is not possible, 5 and 15 it is possible, 3 and 5 not possible, 15 1 not possible, but 5 and 15 is possible. 5 ones are 5 threes are. If you multiply 3 threes are 9, 1 into 1 1. It means that we have to polish 9 boxes. So I can do like that, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this like that, 6 7 8 9. Okay, otherwise you can polish like that also, you can polish, but 9 boxes I or polish any in the 9 we can polish. Okay, so 9 boxes it is clear over. Now let's see here done. Okay, so the next one is this. It is telling that 3 by 4 of the circular boxes. Okay, this is a 3, this is a 4. How many circular boxes are there? This is 4, this is 5. 5 4s are 20, so 20 boxes are there. Okay, there is a 1. So 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Okay, so this is going to be 15 by 1. So 15 boxes we have to color. So let's color the 15 boxes. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So 15 boxes till these boxes you can color these boxes. Okay, right. So our second question is clear. Simply whatever that is telling, count the boxes, how many boxes are there, then multiply by that. Otherwise then where it is dividing, it's divide, then just color that. Okay, right. So the next question is it. Okay, so next question it is find 1 by 3 of the 12. Okay, so now we have to find. Off means multiplication only. Remember, when it's written off means nothing, it is multiply only. Okay, so let's do this one also. So here it is telling that 1 by 3 multiplying by 12. 12 means there is always 1. Let's see cross. Let's see first of all straight. 2 and 1 it is not possible. 1 and 3 it is not possible. 1 1 possible, that's 1 only. But 3 and 12 it is possible. 3 1s are and 3 4s are. So our answer is now it is multiply, because now it's not possible. So 1 into 4 that's 4, 1 into 1 that's 1. So our answer is 4 only. Okay, we can do like that. Now let's see this one. Second question. This is 2 by 5 cross 15 it is there. Here it is 1. 15 and 1 it is not possible. 2 and 5 it is not possible. 2 and 1 it is not possible. Now 5 and 15 is possible. 5 1s are 5 3s are 15. So now this is 2 and 1 not possible, 3 and 1 not possible. Now it is not, now we cannot divide this one. So now we can multiply. 2 and 2 3s are 6. 1 into 1 that's 1. So the answer will be 6. Simply these are the very simple question, nothing in this one. Okay, so I think this question is still clear only. Okay, let me see that. Okay, so our question, this exercise is still here only, and I hope this exercise is clear and you will have not a single doubt in this one. If you have any doubt in this exercise, please tell to me, don't worry about it, and we will see in the next video. If you have any doubt, leave your doubt in the comment. Okay, so let's meet on the next video.